Carol here from Designer Stencils, and Halloween is upon us, and I thought I would show you how to do some tattoo or face painting with some of our culinary stencils. I had the cutest lady call me last week with some questions about them, and she just was raving about she and all her other face painting people that love to use the culinary stencils because they're food grade and they're translucent so you can see through them. And she said they're the perfect size for doing face painting. So let's show you what you can do for Halloween. So here we have Jess, our graphic designer. She's all set for Halloween. We're gonna decorate her as a witch. And we're gonna use one of our craft mats is what we call them, but they're really cookie and craft stencils. They're put on 5.5 by 5.5 inch squares so that people can put them in their little stencil holders. But they're food grade, so it's great for doing your crafts and your cookies, and we can also put it on the face and not have to worry about any residue from any other type of a plastic material. And I stopped by last night at Michael's, got ourselves some face paint. This one is Body Art by Tulip, so we're gonna be trying that out today. Okay, you ready, Jess?
Ready.
Okay, we got this cute little spider web, and we're gonna decorate it around her eye. Hopefully this camera over here is going to be getting in close. And the instructions say to dip your brush in a little bit of water, and then here we go. Get it wet with a little bit of paint here. I always like to dab it out. And let's see how this is going to work. All right, put that right on her eye. See that there, guys? Oh, this is so cool. You're gonna have to decorate as a witch, or dress up as a witch, Jess. This is just
Oh, I definitely will.
All right, let's see. Hopefully it's not too wet, but we'll see. So now we're gonna take the spider and put him right down here. Yeah, the key with this is to make sure that your brush isn't too wet. If it's too wet, it's just gonna start being a little runny. I got it runny in little spots. That's it for this tutorial, but don't forget to sign up and subscribe for our channel so that you can get emails for all the other ones we'll be posting this next month.